How to add an extension for restaurant booking on Apple Maps. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can add the restaurant booking extension to Apple Maps. Apple Map is a very useful application that can help us navigate or discover new things in our vicinity. One of the things you definitely want to discover are restaurants. Imagine that you can also reserve a table in one of the resorts that you found on the map. Well, I can do this. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see how to do it. To do this, we must have an application for table reservations that supports integration with Apple Maps. I chose the OpenTable application. You can also use another one. When you have done that, open the settings on your phone. When the settings opened, scroll until you find the Maps application and tap on it. When the settings open, find the extensions section. Here you will find the restaurant booking option. Tap on it. Here, simply tap on the switch to activate the extension. And that is all. Now you can reserve a table in the restaurant via Apple Maps. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Maps tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.